Hey guys, it's your boy, Epic Gamer, and today is another great day on Mineplex. This wonderful server is awesome. I will leave the server address in the comments below, and also don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video. And you better like the video with your thumb. Not your fingers, your thumb. Just smash it with your thumb, alright? So, today we are going to do the Super Smash Bros. Come on. That one. That one. Yeah, alright. So, we will be the Guardians. We are the Guardians. Guardians of the Seas. One thing I don't like about them is that they just stare at you constantly. Their eyes, they just... Gosh, it's creepy. Okay, we're just gonna sit in here for a few seconds while we wait for people to join. Yay, people joined. Hi, people! One of them's a waffle. Oh my gosh, it's a waffle in a tuxedo. That's cool. And this guy, he's got a unicorn on his shirt. That's also cool. And we got more people. Yay. Demigod is here. Who knew grass could grow on wool? Who knew? Can't break it. That's one thing. There's our friend, what team am I on? This guy's on banana. Banana. Okay, I joined the diamond team. So who's on my team? Okay, oh, I got a creeper on my team. Hello, Mr. Creeper. Someone's the zombie. That's an overpowered kit. Oh, we're teleporting. Okay. Alright, Oliver. Let's do this. We can do this. And we must hook. Stop barfing on me. Die. No. Bad zombie. No. I'm dead. Come on, Mr. Oliver. Help me here. I know he's helping me. Talk it or laser. Yeah, it took damage. Oh, lag. Boom. Everyone's a skeleton. Come here. No. Oh, unicorn shards reached 100. Nice. They recently updated it so that now there's leveling rewards. So when you level up, you get a reward. Pow. And apparently the wither skeleton has decoys. Boom. Come here. Take my shards. No. Boom. Demi. Oliver, no. I will help you. Oliver, don't die on me! Darn it, I'm dead. Me and Oliver have 1 life left. Whew, this is not good. Ow! No. Darn it. that's actually pretty cool. Huh. That's actually a cool, little thing. Alright, next game! So this game, why not we be a squid? Apparently... never mind. I don't know why I'm talking in a British accent, but okay! You are going down. What team am I on? Double Omen. Hello, Double Omen. Nice to meet you. He's a tiny slime now. Slime. He's a tiny slime. Okay. Take my ink! You look a little, pale. Have some ink. Darn it. Take some fish. Have some fish. Bye! My fish. Come on, come here, Mr. Cow. Darn it! Alright, we have 3 lives left. We can do this. Alright, so where should we plant our trap? Right there. Take my ink! Eat! Okay. Fish Flurry is back. I love Fish Flurry. Yeah. What? No. Oh, it's Demigod and Drex. I think I said, yeah, that's enough Drexes. Why not have some fish? You look like you could use some sushi. Oh, I hit him. Come back here. Come here, you cow. Mr. Cow. No! There I go. Into the lava. Oh, okay, I'm back. Boom. Take some more sushi. No, I'm gonna die. No. Leave me alone. Can I hide in here? No! Leave me. No, darn it! Alright, let's go to... Okay, the next game is in 10 seconds. Oh. Never mind. Bark. Okay. Alright. Next game. Let's try something else. You know what? I might stick with Sky Squid. You know what? Nah, I'm gonna do it the Guardian. Oh, I'm already the Guardian. Okay. And there we go. Oh, Double Omen is my teammate again. Hello! Alright, let's go. Come on. Eh. That's my teammate. Boing. Boom. Boom. Take my sword in your face. I don't know what I'm saying right now. Pound. Darn it. I'm still talking in a British accent. Why? Okay, let's see here. Target my laser. Not in range. Darn it. Come closer. Yes, bring him closer. Drex can have my laser. There we go. Boom. Yeah. Whoa, no! Alright. These guys are powerful. I'm gonna splash you with water. Get over here. Where are you? There you are. Take my laser. Demigod. Oh. That didn't work. Okay. So where is everyone? Over here. Boing. Boom. You can have this. Want some of that? No! There we go. Drex, take it. Can have some. Boom. I'm just gonna say this now. I'm not that good at this game. Eat this. Darn it. Banana won again. Once again. Foiled again. Yes. Let's do one more game. Just one. Let's stick to the Guardian. Yes, I'm on the Creepers team, so I wanna go with this guy. No, this guy. Over here. Zombie! 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 Come here. Okay. Who am I teamed with? Ah, great. He's the skeleton horse. This guy's got so many different things. Yeah, guys, I think that's actually going to be it. So, if you could just, like, smash that like button and subscribe and comment. Wait 1 second. Okay, so, and I will see you guys another day. Goodbye.